So the neckline we're using is 18 inches. So get your neckline and divide yours by 2. Mine is 18 inches. So dividing that by 2 gives me 9. So here I'm going to mark my 9 inches. This paper is on fold. So on this folded edge, I'm going to measure the 9 inches from this folded side. This is 9 inches. Now for the length of the collar stand, I'm going to use 1 inch. So which means that from this side, from this point, I'm going to measure 1 inch. And here it is. Here also, I'm going to measure 1 inch. And I'm going to make this into a straight line. So I'll make this into a straight line. And this is what I have. Now the next thing I'm going to do is on this line that I have here, I'm going to come in by 1/2 inch, and then I'll make a mark. Now from this 1/2 inch mark, I'm going to curve it into this line. That is because we must not leave our collar stand pointy just like this. So we're going to make a little curve. So to make that curve, we are going to come in by 1/2 inch, and then from this 1/2 inch mark, we're going to make a little curve right into this line. So just make a little curve there, and that is it. So from this curve now, from this 1/2 inch mark, I'm going to come in by 1 inch, and then I'm going to mark 1 inch here. Now from this 1 inch, I'm going to determine the length of my extended collar. Now for my extended collar, it depends on how long you want it to be. So now let's just come in, let's make it like 2.5 or 3 inches long. All right, so let's make it 2.5. Now for that 2.5, I'm just going to mark my 2.5 here, and then I'll make this into a straight line. Now this is what I have. So from this point here now, I want you are going to come out a little by 1/2 inch, mark the 1/2 inch, and then connect this 1/2 inch to this collar stand, just like this. Connect it to this collar stand. So here it is. Now here I'm coming right to this point now, and I'm going to determine the length of this point. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to use the length I have for my collar stand. I'm going to use that length, which is 1 inch. So I'm going to mark my 1 inch. Now from this 1 inch point, I'm going to connect it down to this 2.5 inch point. So here I'm going to connect. So here it is. Now this is the collar stand. So here is the collar stand, and here is the extended collar. So the next is trace out the lines I'm going to cut out with my marker, so you can see where we are cutting out. I'm going to be cutting out along this line. The lines traced by the marker is where we're going to cut out. Then when we cut this out, we transfer on we're going to transfer this on our main fabric. Yeah, that's good. Here is it. Now we're going to just transfer. We're going to transfer this onto our main fabric. So after transferring on our main fabric, this is how it should look like. So make sure to include 1/2 inch sewing allowance all round, both for the collar stand and the extended collar. So you can see on the collar stand there is 1/2 inch sewing allowance all through, and here on the extended collar also there is 1/2 inch sewing allowance all through. So now the next thing we're going to do is to start stitching. So we're going to stitch all with 1/2 inch. We're going to stitch all round to this point, then down to this point, and then down to this point. So we're going to leave this side open. We're going to cut out 2 pieces, both for the extended collar and for the collar stand also 2 pieces. Here it is. Then I'm gonna to notch the midpoint. Just fold it into double folds like this and notch the midpoint. Very important. Then please remember to notch this curved area also, so that your collar can feel relaxed at this side. Then remember to notch out the excess on both edges. Then when you're done with that, you're going to turn this inside out. After turning this inside out, this is how it's going to look like. We are going to be attaching this extended collar to the collar stand. So please make sure you notch the midpoint of this collar stand. So you're going to place it this way, making sure that the notched area are facing each other, and then you place the other side of the collar stand on it. Then we're going to move ahead to our sewing machine, and we're going to stitch it all around like this up to this point. So here is the outcome. Now I'm going to be notching this side all through to this side, and then I'm going to turn it inside out. Just little notches. So guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial, and this is the end result. You can see this is our collar. This is how it's looking, nice and beautiful. Guys, can you see how lovely this is? So the next thing is to attach this collar to our neckline, and this is done. So this is the result. You can see this is how our neckline, our collar, our t-shirt collar is looking. Guys, let me know what you feel about this tutorial, about this video in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching this to the end. Till I see you in my next one, please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button so you can get more videos from me. And also do remember to like this video if you find it useful or you find it helpful. And also do not forget to share these videos to your friends and to your loved ones. Thank you so much. Share these videos, share this video, and share this video. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next. Have a great day. Bye.